Alright, if you want a mob grinder that will collect everything and kill everything that it is able to collect, start off with 2 chests right here, get you a hopper that's connected to it, another hopper right here on top of it, and then you're going to go around. You're going to put some cobblestone on all 4 sides right here. We're going to make a quick little modification. We need to break this chest. We need to put another hopper. It takes 3 hoppers to do this. I know it's kind of heavy and I apologize, but it's worth it. Alright. That's there. We're going to put sand, 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 sand. Cactus, 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 cactus. Cactus, cactus, cactus. As you can see, it works all the time. I think it's because I still got my tick speed set to 100. Okay. Now, to keep that from happening, we're going to go ahead and place that right here, like that, that, and that. And that. Go up 1 more. Or 2 more, I guess. Right here, here, here. Cap that, then you're gonna go 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, however many it takes, I don't care. Wait, how many is it? 8, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Need 1 more. 8, I think, and if not, I can just build it and it'll be alright. Okay. Now, if you have whatever it is, like a skeleton farm that you have, or I don't know, anything that you can collect. It used to be for piglins until, you know, Mojang broke my heart and nerfed that. But yeah, anything that falls in here. Another hopper, because this won't work. They have to be able to stand flush and then push each other around into the cactus, and anything that drops at their feet and immediately gets collected into the hopper. We'll do a quick little rundown. Am I stuck? What is going on? Just throw... So if you had access to skeleton spawner, and that's that.